Ethanol production in the U.S. is expected to grow to over 20 billion gallons annually by 2025. Pumps are vital in ethanol production as they are used to move corn-based liquids from place to place. They are part of a system that consists of a liquid supply, a suction line, the pump and drive, and the discharge line. There are several types of pumps. This training focuses specifically on centrifugal pumps that are used for corn-based products. Components of centrifugal pumps. In order for a pump to be classified as a centrifugal pump, it needs to have two unique components. The first is a rotating disc with curved blade-like vanes on it called an impeller. The second is a specially shaped pipe called a volute casing, which contains the impeller and the pump fluid. The impeller is mounted on a shaft that is rotated by an electric motor. The impeller sucks liquid into the volute casing, which surrounds the impeller. The volute directs the liquid to the discharge, or outlet port, of the pump. The liquid is then sent to a tank for storage and further processing. Training outcomes. In this training, you will perform planned maintenance on a centrifugal pump, including disassemble a pump housing, replace a mechanical seal. You'll also review common pump failure causes. Planned maintenance. The maintenance staff has determined that pump number 3 is due for service based on how long it has been in operation. To reduce downtime, the maintenance staff has already replaced the pump with a newer model. However, pump number 3 still has several years of use left. You are tasked with performing planned maintenance on pump number 3. Before we get started, let's go over the most common causes of centrifugal pump failure. Mechanical seal failure. Within the centrifugal pump is a mechanical seal. To understand the purpose and function of the mechanical seal, we need to understand a little more about how the pump works. In order for the impeller to spin, it's mounted on a shaft that is rotated by an electric motor. For this specific pump, there is a gearbox connecting the shaft to the pump using a mechanical seal. The purpose of the mechanical seal is to prevent liquid from escaping the pump housing and entering the motor. Over time, the seal starts leaking due to wear caused by friction created by the movement of the shaft. To prevent this, water is pumped into the seal through the inlet hose to cool it down, then pumped out through the outlet hose. Let's get started replacing the mechanical seal as part of our planned maintenance. You'll need another maintenance worker to help you out,